Back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a review on a hair care product that I don't normally use on my bundles or extensions or anything, and it's a hair mask from Coco and Eve. It's called Like a Virgin, and it has some amazing benefits to help rejuvenate your hair. So today we'll be testing it out on this Sunberhair, this Peruvian body wave unit that I made. I bleached the hair, I colored it just to give it a different little look, and after that it just wasn't giving me as much life as I know Sunberhair does. I've tried this hair before and I absolutely loved it, but I think the bleaching process, because I had never colored it before, I've never colored Sunberhair before, it just was not agreeing with this bleach. So I decided I wanted to try out this hair mask on it to see if it would bring it back to life to the potential that I know Sunberhair can be. So this is what the hair looked like pre-treatment. It was nice, it was cute, it was pretty, but I knew it just could give me so much more. So today we're gonna go ahead and try out Coco and Eve hair mask on it to see what she does. So this is the hair after wearing it a weekend, and I'm just thinking, like, what should I try? I mean, might as well go ahead and try this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin. So this has some great ingredients in it, and it's made to make your hair look, feel, and smell amazing and give it health benefits. Now, we're using it on extensions, so you know, we may not be able to use all the health benefits, but it definitely rejuvenated my hair, as you'll see later on in the video. It uses raw virgin coconuts and fig to transform the hair, and shea butter to hydrate. It uses argan oil and lime seed to prevent split ends and tame frizz. So I definitely will say it does all of those benefits. It smells bomb, it's really creamy to the touch, and it actually does its job. I'm absolutely in love with this, and I will definitely be using it on more units in the future. You can leave it on overnight, but I was just testing it out for today, and the 10 minutes that I left it on, bomb. I was skeptical of the little hair tamer thing that it comes with to distribute the hair, because I thought it was going to be too rough for my bundles and maybe loosen the hair on the tracks and start pulling out strands of hair, but it actually didn't do that. It really distributed the product throughout the hair really nicely, so it was evenly coated, and I made sure that the product was all throughout the hair. So after I felt like I had distributed the product throughout the hair really nicely and evenly, I let the mask sit on my hair for 10 minutes. And during that time, I just watched a little TV, did my brows a little bit, because I was going to film another video after doing my hair. So I went ahead and started doing my brows and just let the hair mask sit. Once that 10 minutes was up, I went ahead and rinsed the product out and moved into my normal styling routine of getting my hair done. I decided I wanted to straighten my hair, or to wear it straight, just to see how silky, or if it would be silky. It's lit! I ain't even straightened it yet, and I'm in love with how silky and smooth it is. But now we're gonna go ahead and straighten it and see how much more silkier and how much more smooth it can get. But this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin little hair mask, bringing out a different version. Be on the Caucasian girls, be on the natural girls, but now we got it on the weak girls. Okay. So yes, it's a win right now. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this bad boy and see how she turns out. She's just, she smells good. All right, be back. So instantly, as I was straightening and giving this hair a little bit of trim, this Sunberhair a little trim, I could definitely see it coming back to life and reaching its full potential, how I know Sunberhair can be, because they're bomb. They're like one of my favorite hair companies to work with. So I love this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, okay? All right, good people, this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin, perfect for virgin bundles, okay? I know I looked on their page and they have a lot of girls, Caucasian girls, natural hair girls, but I did not see any girls with weave. And you know, just because it's not growing out of our scalp doesn't mean it doesn't need maintenance and good hair care products. So when I say this hair mask is bomb.com, like has changed the whole feel of my weave. Honey, 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 honey. I'm here for it, okay? My hair is so soft and silky and just flowy and honey, honey, blow me in the wind, okay? It feels so good. It smells so good. It straightens so beautifully. It blow dried so beautifully. Like before I even got to straightening it, when I was blow drying it, I'm like, oh, silky. This mug, but how silky than a mug. So yes, Coco and Eve like a virgin. The truth. And it's not just for, you know, natural hair. It's, you can use it on your extensions as well. So my extensions are very well maintained right now. Like it's just laying so nicely. Like y'all saw that before. I've never had a unit to look like that ever, regardless if I've done stuffed it in a drawer or not. It's never looked like that. But look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper. It just feels so good, okay? Feels so good. No kinks, no knots. The luster is there. Even under all these lights, I still see the natural luster of the hair. It feels so good, smells so good. Here for it, here for it, here for it, here for it, here for it. Okay. Yes, I'm here for it. So yes, Coco and Eve like a virgin bomb.com. And yeah, that's gonna wrap up this review. I'll just be here staring in the mirror at my hair, you know. I'll just be here staring in the mirror at my hair because it just looks so good. It looks so good and so natural. All right, for real, I'm done. So you need to go check out Coco and Eve for this hair mask. It's bomb.com. And even the detangler, which I didn't think was gonna work for my hair because of just how this feels, I'm like, bro, this ain't about to do nothing for these extensions. But it actually did help distribute the hair really nicely and evenly, and it actually did go through my hair without making it shed. Like this is like, it's plastic, but it did not take my hair out, because you know sometimes it can, some brushes, combs and stuff, they can be just a little bit too rough on your extensions, and everybody got time to be losing hair from the track. It already comes out, so you don't need no utensil that's doing, no tool, product, whatever, that's doing that too. So even now that it's dry, it's not pulling any hair out, especially when it was wet. It just moved the product down throughout the hair, just made it really nice and even. So here for it. I keep saying I'm done, and then I keep going. Okay, for real, I'm done. Coco and Eve like a virgin hair mask. You got to try it. Got to. So thank you so much for coming back to my channel. That is all I have for you today. If you have not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the Tan Bam Bam. We were glowing and glowing and getting to it. Okay, we getting to it. So make sure you tap on that subscribe, and then, you know, move your little mouse over, hit notifications, hit the little notification bell, all videos, so you're always notified when I have a new upload. But again, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see y'all in my next one. Stay true.